Welcome to an introduction to the Children's Bureau Title 4B Guide. Most federally recognized tribes, tribal organizations, and tribal consortia are eligible to apply for Title 4B funding. Applying for federal funding can be complex, and tribal program staff may not have experience with receiving Title 4B. With that in mind, this guide was developed to help tribes understand the process. It will help tribal program staff learn about the Children's Bureau and available funding opportunities, as well as grant applications and federal reporting requirements. The guide will be useful to tribal staff responsible for administering Title 4B grants. This includes tribal leadership and administration, tribal child welfare directors and program staff, grant writers, and fiscal staff. All the offices and individuals who are connected to administering the Title 4B grants are encouraged to use this guide to understand their role in the grant process and to help ensure proper tracking and reporting within the grant cycle. Children's Bureau Regional Program Specialists are available to support the tribe in navigating and exploring the topics in this guide. If a tribal program is not sure who to contact, please refer to Appendix A. This guide is designed to ensure that individuals can locate all the Title 4B information they need on their own, even if they have not yet reached out to a regional program specialist. The guide is intended to be used as a source of information and reference for specific Title 4B grant topics. Users are not expected to approach the guide as required reading from front to back. By using the table of contents, tribal staff can quickly and easily navigate directly to the sections of the guide with the information they seek. For example, if tribal program staff want to learn more about how to apply for the grant, they can read sections 4 through 9. If tribal program staff want to know how grant funds can be spent, they can read section 12. And if tribal program staff want to learn more about fiscal reporting requirements, they can read section 11. Even the appendices will be useful to tribal program staff for learning common acronyms, reviewing sources of legislation, linking to other resources, and reviewing our most frequently asked grant questions. We encourage tribal program staff to focus on the topics most relevant to them and their role in administering the grant. As tribal program staff use the guide, they may notice that some topics overlap, and information may be revisited or repeated in multiple sections. Because tribal program staff may only be reviewing certain sections in accordance with their job duties and interests, each section provides standalone guidance with a full explanation of the topic the program is interested in learning more about. We encourage tribal program staff to review the guide with their team members so that they understand the roles of all staff involved in the administration of the program's grants. Going back to sections to refresh their memory when questions arise, as well as taking the time to familiarize themselves with sections that may be more suited to their teammates, will help program staff gain a big picture understanding of all facets of administering Title 4B grants.